Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This one is called Belle Rose and it's a flip-flop style journal. It is also a design team project for ARTYmaze. She had the kit, it's not like a brand new one as in like it was out yesterday or whatever. ARTYmaze has just finished a journal that she's been working on using that kit as well. It's absolutely beautiful. If you want to go over to ARTYmaze's YouTube channel, and you will see the flip through, and then you can watch all the other bits that she done for that journal. So anyway, I've used the kits. I've also used some of her freebies as well. It's a flip-flop style journal, 2 signatures. You can see that we've got some lovely beaded angles on here. 8 by 4 3/4, 2.5 inches roughly when it's folded. In fact, I think it's a little bit bigger than that. Yeah, it's kind of more, no it is, it's about 2.5 inches. Obviously if you take everything out it will be smaller. 2 inches, 88 pages. Does it say that? It will be listed in my shop with free shipping today only, which is it's either the 16th or the 17th of May. I really lost like all concept of like dates. I know the days, but dates have just gone out my head. Anyway, all the information will be below in the description box. So let's do a flip through of this. Just quickly show you from like all the angles, these beaded angles. I've got like obviously the fake pearls, and like glass, I don't know what you call them, is it faceted, I don't know, and then rondelle beads as well. So we've got them on there. And here I've made a pocket from papers from the kit, and inside there, this was just some leftover papers that, let's see if I can do this. Oh, slightly glued that on there where I wasn't supposed to. There we go. So that comes off and it's like a notebook. That was an idea from Clemmy Creations. Clemmy hasn't been about for a while. She's obviously very busy. She came back, she was off for a while, and then she came back, and then she's gone again. We've got a tag in there. This is, it's not a freebie, but it's a little tag kit on ARTYmaze's KoFi shop. The word inspire, the word journal, butterfly, some gold bling in there. These, I think they were freebies. They might not be, can't remember now. And that's like the cover of the flip-flop. Here we've got, these have been backed onto index cards. There's a vintage book page there. Done some stitching on the corners. You could do something there. Excuse me, little tag there. How cute are they? I don't know if they're freebies or not. I can't remember. Little pockets. Little tag in there. I've tried not to pack it out too much. There is lots and lots of journal room, and obviously lots of room for you to add your own bits to. Paper, not a paper ruffle, a fabric ruffle. And here we've got 2 tags. That's not ARTYmaze. I can't remember who that's from now. Can't remember. I think it might be Pixie Dust. Might be Pixie Dust. Some paper there. Got a pocket here. Sorry if you can hear my cat. She's getting into one. She wants out. She's not going out. That's from the kit. And I think ARTYmaze had done hers, and it's for adding fabric snippet things, but I done it with paper. And that just goes in there. And this was attached to it, but I took it off, so it's now a journal card. You know, just do my own thing with things. That's from the Tag Galore kit, which I love that kit because you can go to that and you'll find a tag for no matter what kind of kit you're working on. These postcards are from the kits, the Belle Rose, and this is from TaylorMadeJournals. Goes in there, done stitching around that page. Lined paper, this is from the old design shop. Love hearts with butterflies. Made that, it was printed that out too big, and I just made it into a tag, chopped the sides off, made it into a tag. That's a little kit on ARTYmaze's KoFi shop. That goes in there. We've got some coffee dyed paper, and then we've got our bead dangles there. We've got some French ephemera from ARTYmaze. I just printed that out on a thinner paper, and that pops in there. We've got a love heart with butterfly there and a journal card. Actually, I want that to go that way. Trim. Sorry, I keep clearing my throat. It's annoying me, but I have to do it. It's Allergies, see? That is TaylorMadeJournals. I think allergy season's bad this year. Seen like a lot of people talking about how rough they feel. Tags there. It's like a double pocket. Made these pockets from the actual papers from the kit as well. That's a flip out like so. And then in there we've got some French ephemera from ARTYmaze. It's one of our French ephemera kits. She's got a few on our Etsy store. And I made a big pocket with one of the pages from the kit, and I just done a big stenciled tag with a big like floppy bow thing on there. Then we have some more journal paper, a couple of tags there, a couple of journal cards and tags here. Papers are really pretty in that kit. Another little tag. Like I said, I can't remember. It could be pixie dust. Little fabric ruffle here. Another postcard on an index card there. That's that vintage book page, and the stitching is up here. Just decorative stitching. Another pocket. It's opened at the back, but it's also opened there. And that's our first signature, and then we flip it that way. And we have a tag topper here and a tag there, and that just goes in there like so. Butterflies ARTYmaze. The word is from ARTYmaze. It's from one of the builder cluster kits. Excuse me. Book page, done the corner stitching. I seen that was someone else's journal. I can't remember who it was, and I thought that's a nice little touch. So I'm sorry, I can't remember who it was. Little tag there. Little tag there. Little label there is from the old design shop. This lovely satin ribbon ruffle. How pretty is that? And some tags here. She's pretty, isn't she? Some more writing space. Another double pocket that I made with papers from the kit, and then that's the other little booklet thing that I made, and I'll just pop that in there. That's not ARTYmaze. I can't remember who that's from, and that's the bit that was with that, and I just chopped it off. I remember when I got the kit and I thought, what is that page for? What do you do with that? And I can't remember what I done with that. I think I made it into like an envelope, and then Andrea come on and kind of showed everybody what her intentions were when she made it, and it was to do like the fabric snippets thing. So that's some more French ephemera from the old design. No, it's not. It's from TaylorMadeJournals. Another couple of tags here. How soft are them roses? So pretty. And the other beads. Another pocket there. Yeah, so like I said, this will be free shipping for today only. And the links, all the links will be below. I've had really a lot of problems over the last week when I do upload my videos, especially the ones that I've got scheduled. You know, I fill in all the details and then I put them on a scheduled date, and I know everything's done when I do that. And then when they're uploading, there's no information on it, and I'm like, what's happened here? And it's happened about 3 times this week. It's happened, and I don't know if anyone else has had that problem, or I mean, obviously it's not like I'm new to YouTube. Been chucking up videos for about 15 years now, on a regular basis. Some more French ephemera, and that's the flip out there with the pocket that I made from one of the pages. Yeah, so I don't know if anyone else is having that problem. It's been driving me nuts. Because one video that went up was a journal, and I'd obviously said in there all the links will be below, and it was like I'd done it on an offer, free shipping offer. And it's just as well people know where to go, I think, because there was no information on that video, like nothing. A little bit of trim here. So it must have been somebody that knows me or follows me on my coffee shop. Yeah, and thanks to everyone who supports me on my coffee shop by buying my journals and buying me coffees and things like that. You know, the little kits that I've got, some of them are like paid kits and some of them are freebie kits, but people are very generous and send me a little, like, couple of pounds for a coffee. I do appreciate it. It all just gets chucked back into my journal making. It's now just gone midnight, so it is the 17th. Right, it's the 17th here in the UK, and my husband's just wished me a happy anniversary because our anniversary today, or the 17th. So that is the journal. That, if you're interested in that, you can find it below. I will link ARTYmaze's kit below as well, and her coffee shop, so you can go over and look for all the kind of freebies that go with this kit. And if you feel generous, you can buy ARTYmaze a coffee. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just ask, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.